Hey, it's Fly Tie and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV. You see, we're dressed up with the cap and the tassel because it's graduation season.
It sure is, and we want to take this time out to congratulate you if you're graduating from high school, from college, or even getting your graduate degree.
Yes.
You worked hard and you earned it, so we're celebrating you!
And we want to celebrate by putting some money in your pocket. But Jacinda, do you remember when you graduated many years ago?
Cut it out. I sure do, and it was so special to me, but I want you to know that right now is an even special time for me and Fly Tie because
our son is graduating! Yes!
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
After a crazy year of the pandemic, we are glad to get him out the house!
Kill the confetti! Yeah! Okay. All right, let's calm down. Let's get it together.
Calm down.
It's about you. We want to celebrate you. Maybe you know a special graduate in your life. Maybe it's a family member. Maybe it's a coworker or a neighbor. Well, how about this? It's time for you to nominate that special graduate. Tell us that story. What makes this year and this graduation so special? If they win, they'll win a $300 Visa gift card. And if your nominee wins, we'll put a $200 gift certificate to Compare Foods in your hand.
That's right. How exciting is that? I know you know that special graduate, so we want to celebrate with him. But not only one, all 6 of our Compare Foods stores are giving out those certificates, Jacinda. So are you as excited as we are? Confetti! It's graduation time! What are you waiting on? Go ahead and get those nominees in right now.
Follow the link in this post or check out the link in our bio for all of the contest rules. Your deadline is June 15th, so get on it right now. It's Jacinda and Fly Tie for Compare Foods TV. It's graduation!